Okay, test is running. Okay, let's see the speed test after with the new cable. Should be the same because there is no SFP yet for the other room. And it's local here. Okay. Okay, so far I'll test the speed on the other side. That should be much faster, but when I get the SFP plus for Ethernet, that's gonna be, this one will be the same because that Huawei is 1 giga maximum, but the other one will be 10 giga, 9 giga. Thanks for watching. I'll show you the other side. Should be 2 minimum, maybe more than 2 giga per second. Should be 2.5. Thanks for watching. It's pretty much the same, but with the upgrade it will be much faster.